Hey guys, Jason coming at you again. This one's going to be an update, maybe just a little bit of work in the yard on the north side of my house where I planted that grass. And we'll flip this thing over and let you guys take a look at what's happened. Okay, so here's my pre-germinated grass seed that I put out. It's starting to come in fairly good. It's been, roughly 3 weeks, I think. There's weeds in it, but that's what it's looking like. It's starting to come in a little bit. There's a few bare spots, but it's coming in. Like right here, it's starting to come in. This area here is taking longer than the other. And then over here, where the anthill was, like nothing has really grown in. I think the ants got a lot of the seed, and I've put down granules and sprayed it to kill the ants. And as you can see, they are still here. They will not go away. So I'm going to keep trying at that, trying to get rid of those ants. But today we're going to clean up this area in the yard, and I'm going to give it its first mow. It's been about 3 weeks, and I'm not going to cut it like super short or anything. I've got it at like 2¼ inches. So that's what I'm going to cut it at. I cleaned it up as best I could the first time y'all saw me planting everything, but like, oh, some piece of plastic. But there's still clumps of like peat moss that didn't get laid out pretty well. And there's rocks in it. Well, they're not really rocks. They're, I don't know what you call this, like sandstone. Because you can take it and break it up. But I'm going to get that stuff out of here so I don't tear up my mower. And then once I get this picked up, then I'll mow it. I've never bought Toro products before, but if you guys, your next mower you get, Toro makes a pretty good mower. So I didn't get to take off a whole lot. As you can see, it's still pretty tall. But that's going to be my update. Well, my camera's going nuts. That's going to be my update. It's about 3 weeks. I'll come back in about another week and let you guys see it. Anyway, you guys, thanks for watching the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below. Also, leave me a comment as to what you guys use for like insect control, because the stuff I've been trying isn't doing that great of a job, because there's still thousands of those ants over there. But oh, all right, I'm gonna get off here, and I'm gonna see if I can do something about these ants. See you guys on the next one.